Did you see Taylor Swift's Instagram today?
No, what happened?
She and Travis Kelce are going to get married. There is a photo of her new ring.
Wow, that's amazing. And the words under the photo are very funny.
She wrote, "Your English teacher and your gym teacher are getting married."
What does that mean?
It's a joke. He plays sports and is strong, like a gym teacher. She writes songs with good words, like an English teacher.
Haha, she is always so funny.
Yes, everyone is happy for her.
I love that she is funny. When do you think the wedding will be?
I don't know. But it will be a very beautiful wedding.
I hope she writes a new love song about getting married. Maybe she already wrote one.
Oh, I want a beautiful proposal like that one day.
Haha. First, you need to be an English teacher. Then a gym teacher can ask you to marry him.
Okay, I will study grammar. And I should go to a gym, too. Maybe my future husband is there now, haha. Hello, Anna.
Hi, Mom.
What are you doing?
I am watching videos.
Fun videos?
Yes, cat videos.
Anna, what about the job?
No news, Mom.
Did you check your email?
Yes, I check my email every day.
Is there an email from the job?
No, no email.
Did you check the spam folder?
Yes, Mom, nothing in spam.
Anna, a job is important.
I know, Mom.
I worry.
Don't worry, it is okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I have a plan.
A plan? What plan?
It's a good plan.
Anna, this is serious.
I know, Mom, please relax.
Okay, but check your email again.
Okay, Mom, I will check now.
Good.
If I have news, I will call you.
Okay, call me.
I will. Bye, Mom.
Bye, Anna.
Hello, I need help with moving.
Hello, thank you for calling. How can I help you?
I am moving to a new house next week.
When do you need the move?
I need it done on Saturday morning.
We can send a truck and workers on Saturday at 9 a.m.
Great. How many workers will come?
We can send 3 workers to help you.
That sounds good. I have some large furniture to move, like a refrigerator and a sofa.
We can move your refrigerator and sofa.
Perfect. Do you have any boxes for packing?
Yes, we provide packing boxes.
I need help with packing the kitchen as well.
We can help with that too. Is there anything else you need?
How much will it cost?
The cost depends on the distance and time, but we can give you an estimate after the move.
Okay, sounds good. See you on Saturday at 9 a.m.
Thank you for calling. We'll be there on Saturday. See you soon.
Hello, welcome.
Hello. Ready to start.
Please be careful with the furniture. I don't want anything damaged.
Don't worry, we'll handle everything with care.
I need the move to be finished by 2 p.m. Can you do that?
Yes, we will finish on time.
The sofa goes to the new living room, please.
Got it.
Move the bed carefully, it's fragile.
We'll take extra care with the bed.
The boxes should go to the bedroom.
Okay.
Make sure nothing gets scratched or broken.
We'll cover everything to keep it safe.
Can you move the kitchen last?
Sure, we'll do the kitchen last.
Thank you for your hard work.
It's our pleasure. We'll finish soon.
Great, you did an excellent job. I'll leave a tip for you.
Thank you so much. We're happy to help.
Hey, Mike, busy this Saturday?
Hi, Jess. Nope, free all day.
Want to see the new Marvel movie?
Sounds great. What time?
3 p.m. or 7 p.m.?
Let's do 7 p.m.
Perfect. Dinner first?
Yeah, burgers or pizza?
Burgers. There's a good place nearby.
Awesome. Meet at 6?
6 works. In front?
Yes, should we invite Sam and Taylor?
Good idea. I'll text them.
Cool. What if someone's late?
We wait 15 minutes.
Deal. Don't forget your wallet.
Haha, I won't. Excited?
So excited. See you Saturday.
Bye, Mike.
Bye, Jess.